I am the SimpKing, and I'm going to prove it to you. For my less than hip viewers out there, we're going to head over to Urban Dictionary to figure out just exactly what a simp is.
A man that puts himself in a subservient/submissive position under women in hopes of winning them over, without the female bringing anything to the table.
Oh, yeah, I'm a simp, for sure. Oh, yeah, big simp here. This guy, big simp, for sure. I think you can also simp over another man. But right now it's kind of tough with all the different social medias. So what I'm going to do is create an app that goes to you type in your queen's name or whatever, and that'll go to each of their social medias and pull and hopefully grab their latest post or picture or whatever and bring it back to this app so you don't have to search all the different social medias. You can just do it on this simple SimpKing app. Um, the first thing I need to do is create a server on my laptop that will do all the hard work for us, right? So you'll send a request to the server, and the server will go out to Twitter and Instagram, and it'll probably just be those two actually, and then retrieve that data and then send it back to the app. So then the second part of this would be creating an app that allows you to type in the name of the person that you want to simp over. Yeah, that you'd want to simp over for sure. Yeah. Uh, and then just wait for the response from the server, and bada bing, bada boom, you can be a simp king just like me too. I am the simp king. That's it. A minute long montage, and Simp King's done. And yeah, I mean, now you can simp to your heart's desire, really. So, what you're going to do is open up the app, click on the little text input, type whatever thick mama that you're trying to follow or whatever. For instance, Bill Nye, El Science Guy. Click the search button, and this thing is just going to spin for a hot minute while the server is going and searching his Twitter and his Instagram for his most recent post. So if you look at the, side by side with the server, you can see it going to Twitter and grabbing all that data, and then going to Instagram and grabbing that data. And then eventually, when it's returned, you'll see the reconstruction of the tweet, and you'll see the reconstruction of the Instagram post as so. I know what you guys are thinking. Why don't you, aren't you going to use SimpKing for some real baddies? And yeah, you know what? The answer is yes. Of course I am. I'm going to check on the thickest rice cake caboose python wrestler this side of the Mississippi. Ass implant Theo Vaughn. That guy is thick, dude. And so it went to Theo's Twitter and got this hitter of a tweet. And unfortunately, Theo Vaughn decided to post a video of him like face mashed or something onto 6ix9ine, and SimpKing can't handle video. So thanks, Theo. Make sure to tweet at your favorite celebrities and let them know that they're only allowed to post pictures on Instagram and you're only allowed to post text on Twitter. Otherwise, the SimpKing app will not work. I repeat, it will not work. Well, guys, that's it for this video. You might have noticed I got different glasses on. That's because it's been probably 6 months maybe since I've been working on this video. So clearly I'm pretty inconsistent. If you like the video, give it a like, give it a share maybe. Can't guarantee when the next video is going to be out. I have a lot of good ideas. and not enough time or motivation. I don't know which one it is. It's probably the second one. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.